Hello, my name is Samantha Redford. I'm an academic advisor here at DACC, and in this video I'm going to show you where to go to find important dates for students, so you'll never miss another deadline again. So first things first, you'll go to records.nmsu.edu, and then you'll come down to the Students drop-down menu. It's the very first option, Important Dates. So once you get here, you have some options. You can do the current semester, you can choose the summer or fall. So we're going to choose fall 2023 to look at. At the very top, it tells you the dates of the full semester, so August 16th to December 8th, 2023. Then if you scroll down a little bit, it breaks it up into different terms. So you have the 16-week term or full term, full semester. You have the first 8-week term or mini semester 1. And then the second 8-week term, mini semester 2. So just depending on what you're looking for, you just want to make sure you're looking at the correct term. Then on the left-hand side, it lists different things that you might be looking for. So for instance, it lists new student orientation and registration. So it doesn't have an actual date, but it has a link. So you can click on that to go to where you need to find out more information. First day of classes, adding a class with an instructor's signature or without. It gives you information. It talks about if you need to drop a class, when that deadline is. And notice they are different depending on the term that you're looking at. So you want to pay attention. It talks about holidays, early performance grades, deadline to file a degree application is important. Last day to withdraw from a single course. Again, last day to withdraw from the university. Final exams, last day of classes, final grades, commencement. So just good information that you'll need to know so you won't miss a deadline. And then down at the bottom, it lists holidays and then just some more information for you. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. And like I said, just come here. I would bookmark it and have it ready so that way you won't miss a deadline throughout the semester. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.